guys, so today I'm gonna watch, what? Today I'm gonna review my slime, like store-bought slime collection. So I just got this slime yesterday. The other slimes I got, most of them I got from holiday. So this one, I got this from Smith's and it included a Marshmallow Man I think from Ghostbusters, or like that little tiny mat. Little ghost. So, wait one sec. I can't open it. Let me just put down the phone for a sec. Open it. It is so nice. Right. Sorry for that background noise. I was just watching the Fresh Princes. It's so nice. So this slime from Smith's is so nice. Like when I got it, like I took it out of packages, but like I hadn't felt it yet, and it's bubbly fast, but like I love how like when I good this is. Like when I got it, I thought I was just gonna be like, do you know that jiggly slime? So, but it wasn't. So I wasn't actually gonna buy it, but I felt like I like jiggly slime. But let's hope it's proper slime. It's so nice. Let's get into one more slime. Like I have two more, but I'll show the other two really quick. Oh my god. That pass. I promise it was me. It just it's nice. And if you need to know, this is what the little looks like, and it's just like a bit of plastic, so you can take it off if you don't like it. I can't close it up, but that's the logo. So I'll show you the next one.